Have you ever wished you could build your own apps, turn that killer website idea into reality? Welcome to the wonderful world of coding. It might seem like magic, but trust me, with right approach, anyone can learn to code. In this video, we will break down the basics of coding for beginners. We will show you why coding is such a valuable skill, what can you create with it, and most importantly, how you can get started your coding adventure. So first, why should you learn code? Coding is not just for tech geeks anymore. In today's world, coding skills are becoming increasingly valuable, no matter what your career path, because coding skills are highly in demand across the industry. From web development to data science, companies are looking for people who can speak the language of computers. Also, you should become a creator, not a consumer. Don't just use apps, build them. Coding empowers you to turn your idea into reality, whatever it is, a game, a productivity tool, or anything in between. It also unlocks world of problem solving. Coding teach you critical thinking and creative problem solving skills that can be applied to any aspect of your life. So how should you get started? What will be your journey? Learning to code can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we are here to break it down into manageable steps. First, pick your weapon. Means you have to choose the programming language. There are many languages out there, but some are easier for beginners. Python is a great first choice, known for its clear syntax and vast online resources. Number two is find your training ground. The internet is your coding playground. Free online courses from placement like Khan Academy or Code Academy can teach you fundamentals. Number three, practice makes perfect. Coding is learning like a new language. The more you practice, the better you will become. Websites like HackerRank offer coding challenges to put your skills to the test. Don't be afraid to build stuff. The best way to learn is by doing. When you have grasped the basics, start working on small coding projects, build simple websites, create basic games, or automate a repetitive task. Need some coding inspiration? Look no further. Apps like Instagram, Airbnb were built by individuals who started the same basic coding by knowledge you are about to acquire. So, are you ready to join the coding revolution? The world of coding is waiting for your creativity. Just pick a beginner-friendly coding language, find a free online course, and dedicate some time each day to practice. Remember, a coding journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single line of code. Leave a comment below with what coding project you are most excited to tackle, and let's help each other on this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.